Where did you go to? Where did you go to? Inakaji. 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 Where did you go to? You can fear king, but you can do bad thing. Come on. Who told you to go? Did I tell you to go? Come on. Stay there. 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 Did I tell you to go? Stay there. Oh yeah, shut up. Oh yeah, shut up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, shut up. Sit down. Sit down. Oh yeah, sit down. Oh, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. I say sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. I said sit down. Sit down. Shut up and sit down. Shut up. Sit. Kuchuku, kuchuku. Kuchuku, kuchuku. Kuchuku. Kuchukuchi. Kuchuku. Don't be naughty next time. Don't go out alone. Don't go out by yourself. Kuchiku. Kuchikuchi. Sorry. Why did you go out alone? Don't you know they can steal you? You are still a small puppy. You went far. You got me scared. I was looking for you. God damn it. You went too far now. Only you, this small dog. You can go that far? Oh, shit. Why? Sorry. Clutchy. Sorry, see your king. I will not flog you again if you behave well.
So I took my dog for a walk. Just very early in the morning, we were going for a morning walk. Then I got a call from my friend in the UK. So I got talking to my friend. I was on the phone. I was having a deep conversation with my friend on the phone. So the puppy noticed I lost attention. I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't focusing on my little puppy. And then the next thing, the puppy just started straying. And I didn't even pay attention. Then in the long run, after I end the call with my friend, I started looking for the puppy. I didn't see the puppy. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I was looking around. I didn't see the dog. Whoa! I was dead scared. I thought it had been stolen. I started, where are you, puppy? Clutch. Where are you, Clutch? Only for me to see Clutch running from like a distance of like a kilometer away from me. It started running back. I was like, where the hell did this dog go to? Day one, where do you know? You see what happened. I had to drill it to make him know it didn't do a good thing.